What's going on, guys? Today I have a quick and easy one for you, but one that's overlooked a lot. A buddy of mine taught me this a few years ago, and it's worked out great for getting accurate measurements when working with inside corners on walls. Like this is a small example of a wall that obviously would protrude a lot further, but in this case we just assume that this wall comes out. Normally you're trying to get a measurement and you're trying to dig your tape measure into that corner to get an accurate measurement, but it's almost impossible to determine where that tape measure is actually going to fall to make a proper call on what that dimension is. So a real easy trick that I was taught years ago was to pull from any corner and mark 10 inches, right? And you come from the other corner and you pull the tape measure to that mark that you made. As you can see there, it says, it reads 24 5/8. So you add your 10 inches, that equals 34 5/8. When you pull the tape measure now and you check that dimension, you can see that it's hard to make that out as a 34 5/8 measurement. So the only way to be accurate with it is to pull that 10 inches as I described, and then come back to the mark and add your 10 inches. So 24 5/8 plus 10 would give you 34 5/8. All right, guys, hope this video helped you out. It was short and sweet, but very important. I'll see you guys on the next one.